করে দিয়েছি।
Promoter of any event, whether it's GoPro or your upcoming events or your company conventions, you're just unbelievably amazing at promoting events. And third, use the shortcut if it's available to you. Use the shortcut. Get a mentor, get a coach, even if you have to pay a little bit of money in order to be able to get it, even if it's difficult for you to be able to do it. Make the decision to go after it hard, really hard, okay? Coaches, mentors, and masterminds are the fastest way I know, because the most valuable thing in the world is time. I'm 57 years old. How much do you think I would pay to be 50? I'd give you $40 million to be 50. Those 7 years, it's that valuable? Of course. Of course it's that valuable. But what I'm sharing with you, whether it's this power training or GoPro, what I'm sharing with you is don't waste time. Do everything you can to go faster than you would have gone. Whether it's getting access to this power training masterclass collection that I described for you, attending GoPro, stepping into your skills, whatever it happens to be, don't waste time. It's the worst thing in the world to waste. So, back to the power training masterclass. You want me to show you how you can get it? How many people would like to have all these courses, all of these things? Put a number 3 into the comments if you'd like me to share with you how to get it. All right, I'm going to share with you right now. The GoPro event, December 3rd, 4th, and 5th. 3 days to help you move forward 3 years in your network marketing business. 3 days, December 3rd, 4th, and 5th. Delivered from Las Vegas to your home in a $20 million studio that we built just for you. Ask your top leaders what GoPro did for them. Have them share what GoPro did for them. Over 3 days, the world's greatest thought leaders are going to help unlock your potential. We have Tony Robbins coming in for this event and other major celebrities that I'm going to be announcing very soon. The best and most successful people in the world are going to be sharing their secrets over the course of these 3 days. We've got entertainment. We've got fun. It's unbelievable. We have almost 60,000 people already going to be a part of this. We have translation available in German, Italian, and French, and Arabic we will do if we get enough tickets. If we get enough tickets sold in Arabic, then we will pay for the translation to be able to do that. But we got to figure out what the demand is inside of the Arabic community. Okay? So here's the deal. A ticket for GoPro, which is priceless, the experience, is $497 US. But if you and Unity Global make a decision to get a ticket today, I'll let you get that ticket for $197 for the full 3-day experience. $197. Now listen, if you'll do that today, I will give you this entire power training masterclass library. Every course that I described, $3,200 worth of courses. I will give it to you for free if you get a ticket. If you get a ticket today, I will give you all of this, every course I described for free, $0. Now, if you already have a ticket, I'll give you a link in a moment. If you already have a ticket for GoPro, because you got it last year, I will let you get this power training masterclass collection for $97. It's $3,200 worth of value. You can get it for $97. Okay? Can't get it better than that. Now, here's the thing. I told you this is in English. Some pieces are in Spanish, but not very many. A few pieces, I think, maybe in German, not very many. But you just got to figure out somebody bilingual on your team in order to be able to take advantage of all this and make it work. If you throw up the link, please. Here's the link. UnityGlobalGoPro.com. UnityGlobalGoPro.com. Or you can scan this the QR code. That'll take you there also. December 3rd, 4th, and 5th, when you get your ticket, you'll be sent access to the Power Training Masterclass Collection. You'll be able to start accessing that immediately. You'll be able to start training with that immediately. UnityGlobalGoPro.com. UnityGlobalGoPro.com. 3 days where you're going to be in private Zoom rooms by language with your other Unity Global team members, sharing ideas and strategies. You're going to be with them together. Do you have it, just the URL you could put on the bottom? If you can. So you'll be in private Zoom rooms so you can share ideas over the course of those 3 days. We're going to be doing it, it's going to be live, so you're going to be doing it in different time zones around the world. I will tell every one of you, I fully expect that we're going to have enough tickets sold in Arabic language for Arabic people to be able to do the translation, but we have to make sure that we do that. So all of my Arabic speaking friends, please make sure that you get your tickets, tell their people to do the same thing. If you go to UnityGlobalGoPro.com, and you will see this offer to be able to get your ticket for GoPro for $197. If you already have your ticket, just scroll to the bottom and you'll see the link that says, I already have my ticket. I would like to get the Power Training Masterclass Collection. And they will give you that option for $97, okay? In order for things to change, you've got to change. In order for things to get better, you've got to get better. I will tell you, this event's going to change your life. These courses are going to change your life. Going together as a group, you guys are going to break every record there is in network marketing in 2022. Using this in order to be able to close 2021 strong and prepare yourself for 2022 to be the biggest year of your life, the biggest breakthrough of your life, okay? So one more time, throw up the link, take a screenshot of this, take a picture of it, UnityGlobalGoPro.com. And I will tell you also, we have, over 2,000 people on here. The first 100 that get a ticket today, the first 100, between Damien and myself and the other top leaders, we will figure out something else special that we will give the first 100 that say, yes, I'm going to do this. And whether it's getting just the courses because you already have a ticket, or getting the ticket and you get the free courses, whichever one. First 100 that do it are going to get something special that Damien and I and the other leaders will work out, some extra value for the people ready to take action, okay? So if you're either going to get a ticket today or you're going to get these courses because you already have your ticket, put a number 10 into the comments. I want to see if you're going to do this, if you're going to hit this, if you're going to change your life, if you're going to do what's necessary in order to be able to do better. And just know, if it's German, Italian, French, Spanish, that's all going to be provided in translation at GoPro. If it's in Arabic, we got to sell enough tickets in order to be able to pay the translators and be able to make all that happen. But I'm confident we're going to do that between now and then speaking at the big Kaizen event. What do they call it? Climax, the Climax event that the Kaizen organization is doing coming up soon. So I want to see more 10s. Come on. I want to see you guys really step into your potential and your future because you deserve it. Okay? This year's a breakthrough year. Next year is going to be just absolutely outrageous. So with that, I just want to tell you 3 quick things, and then maybe bring back Damien, and Damien and I can talk about this for a moment. First thing I will tell you, every single one of you need to think bigger than you're currently thinking. The world is not served by you playing small. Think big. Think big. Invest in yourself. Think big. Prepare yourself for a better future. Think big. Number 2, every one of you now more than ever. I understand you might be in a difficult part of the world or be in a difficult situation, but now more than ever, you need to be stronger. Think bigger, number 1. Be stronger, number 2. Stop complaining. Stop making excuses. If somebody else can do it, you can too. If nobody else has done it, maybe you can. Who knows? But be stronger than your circumstance. And 3rd, now more than ever, you need to move faster. If you're going to get a ticket, do it now. If you're going to get these courses, do it now. If you're going to start learning from these courses, find somebody bilingual and have them come to your house and bring a team of people and start going through this program now. Do it now. Get to that next rank now. Qualify for that trip now. Get people registered for the tour that your leaders are putting on right now. Get people to show up for GoPro now. Make the commitment. Okay? Make the commitment. Think bigger, be stronger, move faster. Okay, it's your turn. So, Damien, can I bring you back?
Absolutely, bro. I'm right.
Hey, my brother. Hey, so I just wanted you to be able to talk with them about the value of investing in themselves and talk to them also about what GoPro can do for them. Because a lot of these people have attended before, maybe last year, but many of them don't even know what it's about. And from your perspective, how will this help them build their business?
Yeah, I mean, I remember if I just look at my story, and obviously I talked a lot about my story in the with the organization and everything, and everybody knows how things developed and all that. But when I really look at what were the big pieces, like in every journey, there's a lot of small things. There's a development, there's years of work, there's your 10,000 hours, there's all of that. But then there's the big blocks that paved the road, okay? And I clearly remember the first GoPro that I went to. That was actually the second one you did. That was an absolute and total game changer, and affected my life in more ways than I could possibly have imagined. First of all, it was the belief in the industry. Today we say profession, really, in network marketing. It completely shifted. I thought I believe in network marketing. I thought I get it. I thought, yeah, I'm good at this and whatever. I had no idea how big it is. And that's something that is just an incredible element, because once you start to believe differently, you start to act differently, you start to do things differently. And here's the bottom line to it. If you don't, you'll never do the action you could. So you will stay small, and the dangerous part about this is you will not even realize it. You will not realize, and you will not know that you could have gone so much bigger. But you will know when you go to GoPro. So that's number one. So when you attend GoPro, here's what it's going to do. It's going to increase your belief. You're going to see so many success stories. You're going to be such a vast, and even that is probably just a sneak peek of what this business really represents. But it's going to give you a bigger picture of what you've ever seen. So this is the first thing. The second thing, the relationships I was able to build because of being part of GoPro, not just one event, that's the start, but then to really plug into the universe, plug in to all the different things that are being offered to networkmarketingpro.com. I remember in the beginning, that was like so many years ago, like whatever is your landing page, like you're starting like your home page on your browser, that was still a big deal back then. What's the website that comes up when you open your Internet Explorer? And I remember changing that to networkmarketingpro.com because everything that was on there, it was just so valuable. And then the third thing that I would mention is just ideas. Ideas that you can immediately implement. And I need to talk about the one idea I caught from that first one. That was the 90-day run, the 90-day game plan. So today in our business here at Unity Global, the 90-day game plan is like an institutionalized tool for radical results. But how did this start? It started by seeing it at GoPro first, and then I went out there being at about $6,000 a month, making almost $100,000 in the months right after GoPro. Nobody would have, this would have never happened. I would have never believed it. It would have just not been part of my reality, but I decided to go to GoPro and everything changed. So these are my reasons, and I can keep talking about this forever. But people always ask, okay, how much is it going to be for me to attend GoPro? Well, it's $197, so it's not really much. But the other thing is, how much is it going to cost you if you won't be there? And again, the dangerous part you won't even know. So, but it's an immeasurable amount of money. So make sure you're going to be there. Make sure you promote everybody.
Well, and here's what I'd like to do is, I'm sure that there's people in the chat or on that maybe have some questions, and I've got to sign off because I got to jump on another Zoom in just a second. but maybe you can stay on and answer some of those questions so they can clearly understand, and have some of the other top leaders jump in and talk about their GoPro experience, or learning the skills, or the value of mentors and coaches, or whatever it happens to be that we talked about, plus all the other training that you did today. Maybe that'll provide some additional clarity for those people. But ladies and gentlemen, my wish for all of you as I wrap up for today, and I can't wait to see you in person sometime very soon, hopefully, is that you decide to become a network marketing professional, that you decide to go pro, that you decide to really take charge of your life, because it is a stone cold fact that we have a better way. So now let's go tell the world. I love you all. I'll see you soon. Damien, my brother, my friend, keep crushing, and say hey to the family of Stefania and everybody else. I love you all. See you soon. Mwah.
Thank you, Eric, and really thank you for everything that you've done for the industry, for the business. And yeah, guys, what an amazing event we had here today. 3 hours of speakers and content and everything. Pretty incredible. And this is just the start of everything that we're going to do this year. This is just the beginning, and it all leads to GoPro. Now, when you have, or if you have any questions in regards to GoPro, any questions on how to obtain the tickets, any question on what would be the best thing for you to do, also keeping in mind the roadmap with all the different things coming up, please speak to your sponsors, speak to your upline, speak to your mentors, make a game plan. Most important is to get committed. Get your ticket now, because if you get your ticket, you'll be there. If you'll be there, it's already 80% of the way that you have to go. You'll get the input, you'll get the knowledge, and you can make it happen. There's a lot of people that have attended GoPro. The truth is, almost all the leaders of the entire business in our team has been there. So it's a recipe for success. It's a recipe for guaranteed success to be at this event. And honestly, the truth is that, you know how to say that, whatever it is that you really truly want and desire, is you're ultimately going to go get it, because you're going to take the right decisions. And being at GoPro definitely is the right decision. Now, I don't know if we have anybody else on from the speakers. I think we don't, because everybody had a clear plan on when they were going to be on. And I think we have also exhausted the 3-hour webinar time here for tonight. I want to thank all of you for being on this call. I want to thank all of you for promoting your team. We had at peak almost 2,500 people live here at this event. I know you took value from this, and I know you're going to go out now and crush it, and make sure you play all out. Make sure you really go hard after your dreams, because it is worth it. And I'm your biggest fan, and I'm cheering you on, and I know we're going to crush our record month of September, and then really close this year out in a way that we've never done before. So if you're ready, type a 1 in the chat. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of the team. And let's make this the greatest organization that's ever been in network marketing. Bye, guys.